Our solar system is a fascinating place. It is filled with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all orbiting around the sun. The sun, a star and a giant ball of hot gas, gives us light and heat. Our journey through the solar system will take us to each planet. We will learn about their size, atmosphere, and unique features. Some planets are rocky, others are made of gas, some are hot, others are cold. We will also see how our robotic explorers have helped us learn more about these distant worlds. There is still so much to discover about our solar system. It is an exciting time to be an explorer. The sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas. It is the center of our solar system. All the planets orbit around the sun. The sun is very, very hot. Its surface temperature is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is also very big. It is about 109 times wider than the Earth. The sun is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. These gases are constantly undergoing nuclear reactions. These reactions release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. The sun's gravity holds the entire solar system together. Without the sun, the planets would fly off into space. The sun is essential for life on Earth. It gives us the light and warmth we need to survive. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is also the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is a rocky planet. It has a very thin atmosphere. Mercury is a very hot planet. The side that faces the sun can reach temperatures of over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. The side that faces away from the sun is much colder. It can get as cold as -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury moves very quickly around the sun. It takes only 88 Earth days for Mercury to complete one orbit. That's why it's called the speedy planet. Mercury has no moons. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is similar in size and mass to Earth. That's why it's called Earth's twin. But Venus is very different from Earth in other ways. Venus has a very thick atmosphere. It is made mostly of carbon dioxide. This thick atmosphere traps heat from the sun. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature of Venus can reach over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus rotates very slowly. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate once. Venus also rotates in the opposite direction of most other planets. Venus has no moons. Section 5. Earth, our home, a blue oasis. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It's the only planet in our solar system that we know of that has life. Earth is indeed a special place. It has a unique combination of factors that make life possible. With a comfortable temperature and liquid water, which is essential for life, Earth thrives. Our atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. Earth has one moon, which plays an important role in stabilizing our planet's rotation. It's a beautiful and diverse planet, home to a wide variety of plants and animals. Section 6. Mars, the red planet, dreams of exploration. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is known as the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide or rust in the soil. Mars is a cold and dry planet with a very thin atmosphere. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been much warmer and wetter than it is today. There is evidence that liquid water may have flowed on the surface of Mars long ago. Today, robotic rovers are exploring the surface of Mars, searching for signs of past or present life. Section 7. Jupiter, king of the planets. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It has a very strong magnetic field that traps charged particles from the sun. These particles create auroras, or northern and southern lights, around Jupiter's poles. Jupiter has a faint ring system, and is also home to more than 80 moons. The four largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, can be seen with a small telescope. Section 8. Saturn, the ringed wonder. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and another gas giant. It is best known for its beautiful rings, which are made of ice and rock particles. These particles range in size from tiny grains of dust to huge chunks of ice. Interestingly, the rings are very thin, being only about 30 feet thick. Saturn has more than 80 moons, with the largest, Titan, being bigger than the planet Mercury. Titan has a thick atmosphere and is thought to have lakes and rivers of liquid methane. Section 9. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is an ice giant uniquely tilted on its side. It rotates on its side, unlike any other planet in our solar system. Scientists believe this unusual tilt may have been caused by a collision with a large object early in its history. Uranus also has a faint ring system and is home to more than 27 moons. It is a very cold planet, with an atmosphere made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Section 10. Neptune, the icy giant. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and the farthest in our solar system. Another ice giant, it is similar in size and composition to Uranus. Neptune's deep blue color comes from the methane in its atmosphere. It too has a faint ring system and is home to 14 moons. The largest moon, Triton, is unique as it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. Triton is also one of the coldest objects in our solar system. Section 11. Conclusion. Our solar system awaits. Our solar system is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that we are only beginning to understand. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet has its own unique story to tell. As we continue to explore our solar system, we will learn more about its origins, its evolution, and its potential for life. It is an exciting time to be an explorer of our cosmic neighborhood.